Hi, welcome to Japan by Food. I'm your host, Shizuka Anderson. Today I am here in Maebashi, Gunma Prefecture in front of this beautiful old guest house that was built in the 1800s, welcoming many tourists to the area, including several emperors of Japan. And this area is actually known for a lot of soybeans and wheat, which are commonly used in fermented foods. We are going to look at all of the wonderful, delicious, traditional fermented foods that can be found in Japan, such as natto, which many people love or hate, and soy sauce, as well as manju, which are delicious little grilled buns that are very traditional in this area as well. So let's go explore the delicious fermented foods of Japan. Let's go. Alright, so I'm now here at a little natto factory and shop where all of the natto is made in-house. 納豆についてもっと知りたいんですけれども、
はい、
簡単に言うと納豆ってどんな食べ物ですか？
そうですね、大豆を発酵させた食べ物で非常に粘りが強いのが特徴になります。粒の大きさでまずは4種類あるんですけど、でそれぞれ味わいが異なりますので楽しんでいただけると思います。
This is actually my first time seeing all of these different types of natto. Usually there's only one standard type of natto that you can get at the supermarket, so this is a great place to find specialty nattos. 大豆はどこから取るんですか？
大豆は私どもで育てています。
Wow, okay, so he actually grows his own soybeans to make the natto. So let's go check out the soybean field and see how natto is made. This is my first time in a soybean farm. Oh, 枝豆だ。
枝豆です。
Wow, it's 枝豆。で、これが中だけ取ると、それが納豆になるんですか？
これがですね。この葉っぱが全部枯れて、これ今黄色くなってますけど、これが全部枯れてこれだけになるんですね。でそれが茶色くなって乾きます。枯れちゃって、はい。それで随分乾いてから初めて大豆として使えるんですけど、納豆は大豆そのままの商品なので、綺麗な大豆しか使えないんですね。
Alright, so now that we've seen what it looks like out here in the field with actual natto soybeans, now let's see how they turn it into fermented soybeans. To the factory! Alright, so now we are inside the natto factory, which is connected right to the shop actually. So can you take me through the steps of how do we make those soybeans into natto?
豆を、こちらの部屋で洗います。
Oh, okay.
で結構機械で洗うところが多いんですけど、うちはもう職人がグローブをはめて手できれいに洗います。洗ってからこちらに水に浸しておきます。
これがさっきの豆
でこれを冬だと24時間ぐらい、夏だと18時間ぐらいで、あとは水の温度も測って、でそれによって時間を決めるんですけど、どんどん水を吸って大きくなっていきます。これは釜なんですけど、先ほどの豆をこちらに全部入れて長く蒸します。
So this is a steamer.
スティーマーです。
はい。
豆の美味しさを引き出したり、豆の柔らかさを引き出すには、このロープレッシャーで長く蒸すことが、これがポイントなんです。
美味しさの秘密。
そうです。はい、い
いですね。
そしたら納豆菌を煮豆にかけます。納豆菌非常に強いんですね。で100度の温度でも死なないんです。あとはレディエーションにも強いですし、そしたらこの機械でパックに一つ一つ充填していきます。
面白いですね。じゃあ最後にどうなるんですか？
こちらのこれは室と言われるんですけど、これがホットルームになってまして、この中で発酵させます。豆の大きさとか種類とか、あと季節に応じてそのプログラムが違うんですね。
Oh, with this machine. So you can set it for different types of soybeans. and different seasons.
そうです。
That is so cool. じゃあここで18時間
はい
入れとけばもう出来上がりなんですか？
そうですね。それで冷やしていって、でそれで冷え切ったらできます。
食べれる。
あとはこれでレーベルをつけて、ね、それで。
Now that I've learned about how to make natto, I really, really, really want to try the natto that they make here. Can I try some of your specialty nattos?
Yes.
Oh, yay! So let's go try some natto. Okay, so it's now finally time to eat the delicious, delicious craft natto that they have here. And as you can see, we're trying 3 different flavors. One of them is the standard natto. So this is the most typical type of natto. Look at that. Itadakimasu. Here we go. I'm blown away by how different it tastes from the natto that I buy at the supermarket. This one has a much milder taste. The bitterness that comes with natto typically is almost not there. It's super creamy and really, really delicious. You can enjoy the flavor of the beans. Okay, so I also need to try the other flavors. It looks like crunchy peanut butter. That's what it looks like to me, like a peanut butter paste with the little cut up bits of natto in there, cut up bits of soybeans. Itadakimasu. Whoa, immediately it is so different. Since the soybeans are cut up, as you mentioned earlier, you can really taste the flavor of the soybeans, like the beans itself. It's more beany, and it's got kind of a fresher taste. Well, finally, I need to try the one last specialty natto that we have here, which is wasabi flavor. So let's give that a try. I am so excited to try this one because I have never, ever seen natto that has, first of all, multiple types of beans, and beans that are this size. They're usually tiny beans that you find in supermarket natto. So this is a brand new experience for me. Wow, that's a completely different natto experience. Wasabi taste is not overly spicy either. It mixes very well with the creaminess of the natto, so it's kind of like a soft wasabi kick. It's really delightful, and the beans are so meaty. Like they're just so big that you get so much bean in each bite.
これご飯にかけても美味しいんですけど、刺身と一緒にこう混ぜていただいて、そうするとお酒と一緒に、日本酒と一緒に食べると美味しいです。
美味しそう。
はい。
Alright, so now that I've finished enjoying my natto experience, it's time to see some more fermented foods at a soy sauce shop. Let's go try some delicious fermented soy sauces. Let's go! ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。
Bye-bye.
もう全部醤油なんです。今ね、100本以上あります。醤油って英語だとソイソースじゃないですか。はい、でソースってつくので、よくこういろいろこう混ぜて作ってるとか、熱加えて作ってるとかイメージされること多いんですけど、醤油って発酵で作ってるんです。で原材料が多くて3つなんです。で1つが大豆、で1つが小麦、それともう1つが、ね、塩なんです。でまず大豆を蒸して、で小麦をいって。でそれを合わせたものにこう麹菌っていう微生物を繁殖をさせて、でそこに塩水を入れるともろみっていう状態になって、それでこう半年から2年3年ぐらい熟成させて絞ったものがお醤油で、まず一番スタンダードなものからいきましょう。
Oh, okay. This is my first time doing a soy sauce tasting like this. It is really good. It's of course salty, but the umami is there. It's delicious. So what's the next one?
で続いて薄口醤油。よく日本でいうと関西の京都の京料理とかだとよく使われるタイプです。
That's also really good. Again, it's very salty. なんだろう、ちょっと味が違いますね。
そう、しょっぱくて旨味は抑えてます。
なるほど。
醤油が強すぎると出汁の風味より上にかぶさっちゃうんです。なので醤油は控えめ。 でお塩強めっていうのがこれです。
なるほど、面白い。
次これいってみましょうか。その原材料の先ほどの大豆小麦の小麦使ってないタイプです。大豆と塩だけ。グルテンフリーの醤油っていうと、このたまり醤油になります。
Gluten-free soy sauce. If you're ever looking for that, this is the one. It's so concentrated in flavor. お醤油ってこんなに面白いですね。知らなかったです。
比べると違うんですよ。味が全然。
And this is only 6 types of soy sauce, but there are 100 that you could try here. Do you have any strange or unusual flavors of soy sauce? 知りますか? Oh, he's opening up his drawer. A smoked soy sauce. Never seen or heard or tried this before. Oh, it is smoky! It's kind of like a really rich soy sauce, and then the aftertaste, you get a hint of smoke. It's like you just had a barbecue or something.
チーズにかけるとスモークチーズみたいな。
Oh my goodness.
でサーモンだったらスモークサーモンみたいな感じ。
めちゃくちゃ美味しそう。スモークチーズとか大好きなので。
そうですか。
Thank you so much for showing me all of these soy sauces. All right, you guys, well, I've learned so much about soy sauce today, and as you can see, there are so many different types, but we have one last place to visit today that is all about fermentation. So let's go see what that's all about. All right, so I am now here at my last stop of my fermented food tour at Harashimaya Sohonke, which is a popular Yakimanju shop here in Gunma Prefecture. And Yakimanju is actually a local Gunma Prefecture specialty, and it's been eaten for over 150 years here. Oh, wow!
いらっしゃいませ。
こんにちは。よろしくお願いします。群馬県で有名っていうことをお聞きしてるんですけれども、焼きまんじゅうっていうのは何ですか？
まんじゅうって言って普通あんこが入ってるんですけども、あんこの入らないまんじゅうにタレをつけて焼くという、そういうもんなんです。麹を使って生地を発酵させて作るんですよね。それに味噌だれ、甘じょっぱい味噌だれをつけて焼くんです。私どもの店は164年になります。
あ、そんなに長いんですか？はい。We get to go look at how they make the actual manjus in the back. Let's watch them grill it.
これが元のまんじゅうなんですよ。
おお、なるほど。
竹串に刺して。これも珍しいですよね。こういう形態のまんじゅうなんていうのはおそらく日本中どこ探してもないと、世界中にもないと思います。このタレが先ほど申し上げたように味噌だれ。
おお、美味しそう。
味噌と水飴、それと砂糖ですよね。だから甘じょっぱいような感じですね。この上に乗せて焼くんです。
なるほど。
まあうちの店は結構丁寧に、かなり丁寧に焼いてる方だと思います。
じゃあこれ焼き上がったらもうそのまま。
そうです。こちらが焼き上がった形でこういうこれ仕上がってるんですね。
うわー、すごい美味しそう。
でちょっと焦げ目がこういうところついてて、これがまた美味しいんですよ。
Alright, beautiful little room. It's now time to enjoy the manjus.
どうもお待たせしました。
美味しそう。わ
焼きまんじゅう。
ー、ありがとうございます。いただきます。The traditional way to eat this is just to eat it straight off of the stick. Oh, look at that. It's like a fluffy steamed bun. It is so fluffy but chewy on the inside because it is made with koji. And the sauce is crispy, smoky from being grilled. Tastes like miso that's both sweet and salty. It is a wonderful, wonderful little snack. All right, well that was a really, really delicious sweet treat at the end of the day. And that concludes my fermented food tour here in Maebashi City. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me tour around this city in the countryside. And although not so many people would think to come visit Gunma Prefecture because it's a little out of the way, it's only an hour and a half away from Tokyo. So if you're looking for something a little bit different on your next trip to Japan, I definitely recommend Maebashi City here in Gunma Prefecture and trying all of these delicious fermented foods. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and look forward to the next video, which is also here in Gunma Prefecture with a very special guest. So, as always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!